In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to MT4 and MT5 on Vantage Markets. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you can successfully access your trading account with ease. Let's get started. First, you need to download and install the appropriate platform for your operating system. Visit the Vantage Markets website to find the right version of either MT4 or MT5. Once you've identified the correct software for your needs, download it and follow the on-screen installation instructions. If you're on Windows or Mac, the process will slightly differ, but the installer typically guides you through the necessary steps efficiently. Once the installation is complete, it's time to open the platform. Double-click on the icon either on your desktop or from your Applications folder. This will launch the MT4 or MT5 platform on your computer, and you'll be ready to begin the login process. Now let's access the login form. Look to the top left corner of the platform and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Login to Trade Account. This action will bring up a login form, which is your gateway to accessing your trading account. Moving on to entering your credentials, you'll need three key pieces of information. First, the login identifier for your trading account. This is a unique series of numbers provided to you in your welcome email when you first signed up with Vantage Markets. Next, you need your password. This too was shared with you in your initial welcome email. It's crucial to input this accurately to prevent any login issues. If you're copying and pasting the password, ensure there are no trailing spaces, as this can lead to errors. The third piece of information you'll need to input is the server. Check your welcome email again for this detail. The server is specific to your account type, so make sure to select the correct one from the drop-down list available in the login form. After you've entered all the necessary information, review it to ensure everything is correct. Once confident, click the Login button. If all details have been entered correctly, you should now be logged into your MT4 or MT5 platform on Vantage Markets, ready to start trading. Following these instructions step by step will streamline the process and help you avoid any common pitfalls. If you encounter any issues, double-check the information in your welcome email or reach out to Vantage Markets customer support for assistance. Happy trading, and thanks for watching.